So today we'll be talking about something called the Impersonal Se. Now this is a very short, quick, and easy topic. Essentially the key word here is that it's impersonal. So what we're talking about is conjugating verbs that have no subject. And this is something that you guys see very often. You see them on signs that say "Se habla español" and other such things. Okay? They're always going to be conjugated in the third person. And again, this is mostly for signs and other public displays. Public displays where there is no subject. There's no subject implied. It is impersonal. So, let's take a look at some examples. That's probably the best way to show you. First, here we have an ad for no trespassing. It says, private property, propiedad privada, se prohíbe traspasar. Let's take another look. As you can see, like I said, you put the se in front, conjugate it as you would a regular reflexive verb, and conjugate it in the third person. Let's take a look at another one. Here's a sign for renting an apartment. Se alquila, for rent. This is the conjugation of the verb alquilar, which is to rent. As you can see, again, there's no subject. It's just simply saying apartment for rent. And here's our president, Barack Obama. Si se puede. Something you guys have undoubtedly seen on a lot of protest signs. Si se puede. Yes, one can. It's generally a rallying cry at a lot of rallies. Here we have a no smoking sign. No se fuma. One is not permitted to smoke here. It's not talking about any one person in particular. There's no particular subject here. It's not saying Jose can't smoke here, but Maria can. It's just saying no se fuma. No smoking. Here we have something for sale. Looks like we have a rug for sale. Se vende. For sale. Here's one you guys have seen before in the past, undoubtedly. Se habla español, which essentially means Spanish is spoken here. It's not saying that it's spoken by any one particular person. It's not saying Juan speaks Spanish, or anyone else does, or I do, or you do. It's just saying se habla español. Spanish is spoken here. No subject implied. And lastly, here's a perfect example. No se permiten mascotas. A mascota, think of the word mascot, means, that's right, pets. No pets. No pets are allowed here. No se permiten. Pets are not permitted. They are not allowed here. Okay? They're not saying any one particular pet is allowed here. They're not saying Mittens or Rover are not allowed here. They're saying no se permiten mascotas in general. Now, you might be wondering, third person plural. No se permiten. That is because this is plural. Okay? So just like the gustar verbs, this needs to match this. Okay? No se fuma, no se permiten mascotas. If this were any one particular pet, it would say no se permite, but no se permiten mascotas. And that's pretty much it. The impersonal se is a pretty easy topic, and I will go over it with you guys next class. See you then.